This isn't a sign of altcoin death. It's a sign of altcoin hibernation, and they're about to wake up hungry. Now, let me give you the silliest but surprisingly super reliable indicator of all, my YouTube views. 2 months ago, I was getting 50,000 views per video. Now, barely 20 to 25,000. And before you say, self-absorbed much? It's not just me. Every single crypto channel is down. And this sounds ridiculous, but it's a real data-backed phenomenon. Retail leaves during boredom. They stop watching crypto YouTube. They get distracted. They move on. Look at this chart from Into the Cryptoverse. It tracks YouTube views on the biggest crypto-focused channels. It shows that viewership craters during periods of chop and consolidation. Remember how I showed you that alts broke out in Q4 of 2023 and 2024? Look at the YouTube views leading up to those quarters. Sideways, flatline. Then the market pumps and retail comes flooding back in, usually way too late. But you're the smart ones, because you're still here. You're watching this right now whilst everyone else is asleep. This is your edge. So what am I doing about all of this right now? I'm watching, I'm preparing. And this is the chart I'm watching like a hawk, one of my new favorite charts. This is the Others BTC chart. Others is the market cap of crypto minus the top 10 coins. So this chart shows us how the riskiest, smallest altcoins are performing against the king. And right now, it ain't looking good. It's been grinding down since the last pump in Q4 2024. But look at the history. I mean, it's technically been grinding down since the last bull run ended in late 2021. But more recently, we saw pullbacks like this in early 2024 and early 2023, right before explosive moves, which, you guessed it, happened in or around Q4 of those years. This grind down for alt shows boredom before renewed interest in Q4. Let's hope if we get a Q4 rally this year, though, it doesn't turn around as fast as the last 2 years. Anyway, let's talk about my plan. I'm chilling for summer, I'm holding my high conviction bags, and I'm waiting for Q4 because right now I am seeing my favorite ever crypto indicator flashing boredom. And also in Q4 is when the real catalyst is scheduled to hit. Rate cuts. The Fed is expected to start cutting rates in September, and when the money printer turns back on, this coiled spring of a market is going to launch. But before that breakout hits, before this market goes completely vertical, you need to ask yourself one question. Is my setup secure? Because scammers and hackers love breakouts. They prey on the euphoria. They target people who are distracted by green candles and massive gains. One wrong click on a public Wi-Fi network and your entire stack could be gone. That's why I use NordVPN every single time I interact with a wallet, an exchange, or an alpha tool. It encrypts my connection, hides my IP address, and acts as a digital bodyguard for my portfolio. For just $3.33 a month, you can protect your entire journey to riches. It's less than a cup of coffee. Don't be the person who makes life-changing money just to lose it to some low-life hacker. Links in the description below, guys. Now, back to what I was saying. The market is boring. Alts are quiet. YouTube views are down. ETH is sleeping. Perfect. This is the moment. This is the setup. This is the quiet period where most people lose interest, right before the life-altering move. This is what separates the pros from the tourists. The tourists get bored and leave. The pros see the signal and prepare. If you can sit through the boredom, you will not miss this breakout. Stay patient, stay focused,